What's up, gang? I'm Johnny Lo, and I'm here to tell you about your new travel companion to capture that next family adventure. And it's this bad boy right over here. I'm gonna tell you all about it, but in the meantime, follow me to Chicago. You never know what you're gonna get, and that's exactly why you bring the right camera. With the all-new GoPro Mission 1 Pro, 50 megapixels, 1-inch sensor, and a family ready to make some memories. To capture the iconic Riverwalk in its entirety, I used the lapse mode in 8K to ensure the best image quality output. As the sun goes down, the city lights up, and I use the low light mode. In this mode, the camera automatically boosts the brightness and reduces noise, while preserving details across the highlights and the shadows, resulting in natural and vibrant scenes. Next up, the Skydeck. To ensure I don't miss any moments, I used 8K Open Gate. This format gives me so much more flexibility in editing and reframing my shots. And yeah, we went full slime, and the Mission 1 Pro captured every colorful moment in crispy 4K. And of course, I had to shoot it in a high frame rate to capture that glorious slow motion playback. In the museum, the low light mode captured every activity perfectly. Even going through this glass maze with a very brave girl. With these high frame rates, you can capture epic moments like this using the burst slow-mo feature. I also like to shoot my videos in GP-Log 2, which captures the maximum dynamic range. That allows me to color grade my video to my style. This camera is small enough to fit in your hand, yet it's powerful enough to shoot like a cinema camera. Pizza is ready for you.
Oh, wow.
And yep, we found the Home Alone house. Kevin wasn't there. We're getting ready. This is our city, and this is our family. I'd say it was a mission accomplished. And that is how you GoPro your next adventure. I'm Johnny from the GoPro Guru team. Like and subscribe for some more tips and tricks in the future, and I'll catch you on the next one.